two cannibals are eating a clown, and one of them looks at the other and says, "Does this taste funny to you?" You're welcome.
So it's another beautiful day, and since we're going to be outside working all day, we've decided we're going to attempt to let these chickens out. So we've never let them out with Huey and the new one. Well, we let Huey out when we had to move him from the last location.
Huey's the rooster, for those who don't know.
Yes, but we have 3 new girls in here that we got a couple weeks ago now, and they all seem to be doing really well. So we're just going to try letting them loose and hope that they don't run instantly into the woods and get eaten. Let's see.
Because the fox got 2 of them before.
Yeah.
Before we ever had Huey.
And the first Huey ran into the woods and never came back.
Yeah, we just threw him in there though, right?
Yeah.
Let's see what they think of this.
Freedom! Hi!
We used to let them hang around the deck and...
Oh yeah, they used to love free ranging.
Right?
Until some got taken, that's why we stopped, but give it a try.
Yeah, worth a shot.
They all know that's where food and home is, so I'm sure they'll make their way back at night.
Hopefully Huey just watches them.
Yeah.
We can hear them all. They're freaking having a good time.
Yours.
You watch your ladies. The white one's really probably the only one that I would concerned about a bit.
But she's doing so good now.
Yeah. But
them.
when we got her, they were saying, right? Remember when we got her, she was kind of hiding out, and then they were waiting for her to come back before we went and got her?
Yeah. Only thing, if she didn't come back here, she may never come back where we live.
Well, you got to try it though.
But yeah, we definitely got to try.
Out.
I think it's great. They seem happy.
Yeah.
Lots of clover.
I guess we'll let you know how it goes.
Yeah. They're probably just going to follow us.
Hello. You got treats. You got treats. They're both gaining pretty good. One of them's a little bit older than the other, that's why he's bigger. The pigs see the chickens out. Okay?
Oh yeah.
See?
Yeah. I'd like to eat them.
Throw them in here, Mom.
Yeah.
What's that?
They stay nice and close to Huey, so that's good.
Yeah, that is good.
Yeah. He's so big too, man.
We'll just try to run them in with other snacks later.
Yeah. They used to go in on their own when they wanted to lay and stuff too, when we always let them out. So.
Can make sure that door stays open.
Yes. Yeah. Maybe I'll put a brick there or something.
It's funny that they still try going for like what one is at.
I know.
Right?
They have a whole field of opportunity. Let's all go for the same one.
Yeah, I'm gonna go to cut that with the knife first.
Oh, right, yeah. Do you have your X-Acto on you, or do you need me to get it?
No.
It's in here,
I don't think I have it on me. Look at that patch they found, man. They find the thicker stuff now.
They're in heaven.
Living their best life.
You're right. Your best life yet is right now.
Other than a couple of them that were out before, remember?
Yeah, that's true.
The 2 molting ones there, 3.
Yeah, the ones that are molting are old girls. The fresh looking ones are new. It's good. Just keep throwing it. They'll come over. She'll come over. She'll come too. Oh.
So make it look a little cleaner.
Mm-hmm. I suppose it will.
Oh, I might as well measure this here.
Yeah, right.
4.5. warm day.
It's nice.
One more little piece at the end. That looks way better.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's a little bit of a shadow, but I'm cutting just 4.5 foot strips to put under here that are left, because this wall is about 10 foot 4.5, because they're 10 foot 2x4s, the studs. They're not studs, which would make the wall 10 feet tall. They're actually 10 foot 2x4s. So with the top plates and the bottom plate, it makes it 10 foot 4.5. Anyways, the original intent of leaving the top piece out with that 4.5 I got to cut, the original intent was these trusses, I ordered them with a heel on them. So I was going to tie in the 4.5 with the, about what I'll just say 8 inches of heel. So I would have tied that all in together, right? So it would have tied the trusses in to that wood. But when they got here, they didn't have it. Since I waited about 6 weeks to get them, I wasn't going to complain about it because, well, I really wanted to get the roof on. So now we're just going to have to bite the bullet and just put the strips on. So it just doesn't get to tie them into the heel like I liked. And, you know, the heel adds better ventilation, stuff like that, but we don't have it. So that's why I'm just putting 4.5 inch strips, if you're wondering. Sam's feeding them, keeping them from going in the woods. Trying to. Catch this behind me.
One slice and dice. Shock me.
Ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
You are, sweetheart. You fed them all of it? Okay. An entire bag of bagels is all over the yard somewhere. They seem to be having fun. He's just on guard.
No, we're good.
Left-handed. This will be done before Christmas.
All right, we got her all in, all on the bottom there, or the top. Now we're gonna go over to the other side.
So we went in for lunch, and then when we came out, the chickens just kind of came to me as I was getting food for the pigs, and they followed me back here, so I locked them all up. That was easy, really successful, their first time out. They all stayed together, huddled together the whole time. We're together, none of them ran off. When they went in the woods, they all went, and they didn't even go far in. And then they just came back to their cage super easy, so we'll definitely do this more often. Really awesome, we're pleased.
Sam did a good job watching them.
Oh yeah.
I was like the chicken shepherd.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
you were. Yeah, pretty great.
Go, Cupcake, go! be good to move this out. So
Yeah.
don't cut the table. Nice, look at that. Their boards rip off. Thank you. Good helper. It's nice that we drove those home.
Yeah.
Should probably not have the ladder where you have it.
Yeah, right.
Okay,
Totally in the way.
sounds right.
You can go at it from the bottom if you want. Yeah.
It's like watching Red Green Show.
Yeah.
Oh, look out, look out. Oh, boy.
Or Ernest building something.
Yeah.
Ernest P. Worrell is here. Too smart for you, huh?
Gee. It's like Randy or whatever from the Trailer Park Boys.
Yeah, Ricky.
Ricky. Gee.
That's cedar. That's a piece of that cedar.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. That random time when cedar was cheaper during the summer.
Yeah. What?
This.
Hi. Fly,
Wow.
little paper fly.
Gravity goes opposite.
Ooh, done. Down she goes.
Well, it looked cool for a second.
Yeah.
Daddy, I got it.
I'm just gonna throw it away. Throw it in the back of the bike.
Thank you.
We can play with it if you want. Instead of putting it on a pouch, I shoved the nail in my bra. That would hurt if it stabs me. Eh?
Thank you. You could reach there. Oh, you're right there. You could reach that, eh? You think?
Yep. Good enough.
Good enough for the girl I go with.
You're right.
That's you.
Yeah, I hope so.
Should be all right.
Till I fall to my death. Well,
you-
thought. Guess I was
Probably
wrong.
won't die.
Let's break a leg or
As long as you don't get hung up and then your head flips over and bash off the rock or something.
Oh, yeah. Probably. That could happen.
No.
Knowing me, eh? That's what I would do.
Nice view.
The rear view. Just in time for dark.
And the days are so short.
It's ridiculous.
Got to get in the blind.
Yeah.
All right, so we got that little bit up there done.
Yeah, it's awesome.
A little bit at a time, but we got to head to Princess Auto in Fredericton, so it's a little over an hour away. But we got to go get some stuff there, and they have it.
And we're going to take you with us.
Yeah, we're going to take you with us for this one. Might as well.
Yeah.
It's part of what we're doing, so. This is like a 2.5 hour round trip, not including this time you spend in the store. Or stores or whatever.
Yeah.
Anyways, you got to go there for sure, so
Let's go.
let's go.
So we got to go in here and see if we can find a shear pin for the plow. Snow is probably coming soon.
Mask up, bro.
Oh yeah, we got to mask up. All masked up, ready to go in.
I'll be back.
The Christmas things.
There's Christmas stuff in here?
Well, some kind of store that does Christmas things.
All right, just what we're looking for. The 5/8 hitch pin. I'm gonna use that in the plow. That'll do it. Hey man, that'd be all right in the tree stand, eh?
Yeah, that'd be great to have.
It would be now that little buddy's gone, right?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, how's it going?
We're just looking for some stuff for building.
Yeah. Okay. Because the 1/2 inch is a little small, right? So this 5/8, so.
Should fit, eh?
I think it will. I should have just brought the piece.
You're right.
But it's not how we roll.
No, we
Just
don't.
guess when we get here.
Yeah.
Damn.
Candy.
Look, there's macaroons too.
Oh, nice. Everybody loves macaroons.
Let's get them. You like? Are they sour or no?
Sam, put your nose away.
I think they're sour. Do you like sour ones?
Yeah, I like
You do? All right.
Gee, you got us.
All right, let's get out of here. All right. I'm out back now. I'm gonna start hunting here in a minute, so wish me luck. I'll let you know.